Okay, the password is the same. Okay, we will write the password on that machine. Okay, so that when he gets the machine, he will try to log in without any problem. So it's nearly 1 minute now. So can you log in? So as you can see, we successfully logged in. There is no any issue with this server. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to shut this server down, and we'll try to take out the heat sinks and power supply and all the heavy components and the hard drives. We will number the hard drive accordingly. We will write it down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that accordingly you can plug it in, and you can boot it just as we boot it now. Okay, let's shut it down now. Shut it down.